Welcome back, profit takers. It's Victoria here, and we are back with another episode. So we're going to I'm going to look at about three pairs with the Profit Takers Alert dashboard and kind of see what we're going to get into tomorrow. Now, EuroCAD is looking really good for a long tomorrow, okay? Or it's already tomorrow, right, in the trading world. But whenever I get to the market, I normally trade New York, but I think I'm going to set this order here to go long, or maybe I'll get up for London. I don't know. But right now, guys, this is a 2-peak low and 1 previous day high break. So basically that means we have a peak low here that has confirmed. Today was day 2 trend trade for this low, right? It's a beautiful trend trade. Now, this wasn't a market that I was looking to trade at all because I was trading the indices today. But once I saw this pattern complete, and I know we had news, for the CAD today as well, I figured, I'll come back to this one later. And so now, guys, we have broke out, we have extended the range, right? So now we're extending it on the upside. We have come back and closed back inside. So I am looking at this to, for a day 3 long trade tomorrow. That's exactly what I'm looking for. The way it's setting up, guys, it's coiling, it looks like it's going to start coiling in on the low and then give us a parabolic trend trade on up. Okay. So at this moment, I'm just going to use this high right here for the count, right? Because we're expecting it to give us a second break because it already gave us our first break of structure. So now I'm going to wait for the other one. So I have an example here, right, of this exact setup. Let me see if I can show you. All right. So if that's not close, I don't know what is. All right. And this is, I don't even know what pair that is. I'm going to have to go see if I saved it properly. But if you can see, guys, that is the exact flashcard that I'm looking for to happen tomorrow. Okay. All right. So that's a setup. All right, we got a setup for a day 3 long. All right. Now, here's the thing. So let me just preference one other thing here. Usually on day 2, guys, I will measure the previous day high and low, which would be here. All right. And the 50% mark will be in this area. Okay. Now, oftentimes, price may come back to this level, right, and respond to it. It could either use it for support or it could break through and then it's resistance. So we're not going to know that until tomorrow. But if this thing plays out just like this that I'm sharing with you here, if it does the exact same thing, right, and we get a quoll and then a parabolic trend trade up, then yeah, that'll be great. Okay. But I'm going to leave it here, right? That's what I normally do for day 2 trend trades. And then now, we're going into day 3. So I'm just taking the high from here. Okay. The current low is right here. We're going to, it's too early right now, right, in the session anyway. So we'll just see what happens. All right. I think the dollar Swiss is just in a range right now. And usually when that happens, that's also a great signal, right? And we have a low on the inside here. So that could often, and if we look at the Swissy, it's not giving me any indication that we're going to go short at all. It could definitely, based on, the ADR, everything still looks just like an extended bull market. But with this low here, guys, it's kind of giving me an indication that we may have a reversal, right? So if that's the case, then, again, I want to wait till prices play out a little bit more and see if this low right here is a sign for us to go short, since this market has just been in a crazy range for the last 2 days. And usually day 3 is going to be the day. Okay. Let's see if we have one more. I'll look at UJ. This one has, this one gave us a huge low, little pin, as the initial balance low for Tuesday. Again, this one actually is starting to show that, it's being, it's going to start to exhaust. So this is another one I'll take a look at for tomorrow. Hopefully it works in my session, but sometimes UJ works out really well in Asia. So I'm going to wait and see if this is going to go ahead and give us the pattern that we're looking for to go short. It definitely needs to hold the highs and then start breaking down, right? And this is a good, this is a good guide for this low here on the inside to see if this thing is going to start to break down. But we'll definitely wait. Right now, again, it's so early. Price is just going sideways. I need to see it start to break below the close of yesterday, and then continue to break down. Now it might stall a little bit, not sure, but as of right now, big picture trade, this is what it's kind of looking like for me, because it has exhausted the ADR. We're at the max, and another good sign is it starts to retrace, right? That's what the real time, the RT is a real time, and it's just starting to go down, right? It hit 5.14 and now it's at 4.92. So that's a good sign that it's starting to retrace. And usually by the time it gets to this 380R, we have a trend change. Okay. So those are the markets that I'm going to be looking at tomorrow. If you guys want to give this indicator a shot, you can try it for free for 14 days. The information to download it is in the comment section of the video. Just go right to the website, download it, follow the instructions, guys. It's simple. Right whenever you download it and add your MT4 or MT5, right? It's available for both. You'll be then taken to a thank you page with a video and instructions on how to make sure that you download it. And again, this is just an indicator, all right? It's not an expert file or anything like that. It's just very simple to install. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.